Stop losing your hair. If you have heard onion juice works, but you are afraid of the smell, then this video is for you. Today, I am showing you my purple onion juice secret that stop hair fall in just 3 days with zero odor. This formula is 10 times more powerful than anything you have tried. This is my 2 medium size of my purple onion. Some call this red onion, while some call it purple onion. So whether red onion or purple onion, they are the same. So why this purple onion is one of the best recipe that can help you to solve your hair problems and also help you to achieve your hair goals. It's because it's all about sulfur. Sulfur is a beautiful mineral that our hair great for. It boosts collagen production and improve blood circulation to your scalp. Most people do this wrong and ending up smelling like a kitchen spice. But today, I am giving you my secret ingredient that keep the odor while doubling the growth. So make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? So what I'm just doing now is to peel off the skin of the purple onion. So after doing this, I'll wash it before we can move to the next step. Keep on watching. After peeling off the onion peel and washing it, so the next thing now is to bring my knife and dice it into a small cube. So this moment I want to use a blender to blend it. But if you don't have blender, what you need to do now after washing it, you just bring your hand grater to grate it, okay? But if you have blender, just use knife and dice it, okay? Then go ahead and blend it. So after dicing it and blending it, I'll be right back. So after blending it, I'll be needing a help of bowl and a help of shift cloths. This part is very important. Make sure you use something that have very tiny hole. Either your wig cap, your shift cloth, your shifter, your stockings, or your hanky, whatsoever that have very tiny hole. Use it and strain it so that you don't have onion residues on your hair. It's not a good experience at all. So if what you're using is not that too tight, you can do it twice or even 3 times so that you can get clean onion juice without having any residues on it. I hope you're understanding me. This is the amount of onion juice I got so far. Remember, I added a little drop of water so that my blender can blend it, okay? So now let me show you the game changer of this recipe. The game changer of this recipe is tea tree essential oil. Yes, tea tree essential oil does not just hide the smell of onion, it's also antifungal powerhouse that deep cleans your follicles so that onion juice can penetrate deeper for maximum hair growth. You need a drop of 5 to 10 drop of tea tree essential oil. Shake it very well. The fresh scent of tea tree essential oil completely neutralize the onion smell instantly, okay? So after doing that, next thing you need to do now is transfer it to your applicator bottle for easy application. This is another step that you need to listen very well so that you can get the instruction, and also I will answer some curious questions people always ask whenever they are using onion on their hair, okay? So now this is how my hair is now. Let me show you how to use this onion juice so that you can get that good result in 3 days, visible result in 3 days with this particular recipe, okay? So before I start answering those curious questions people always ask whenever they use onion juice on their hair, let me first of all tell you guys how to apply this particular recipe on your hair so that you can get that good result from 3 days, okay? So first thing you need to do is apply this spray directly on your scalp, okay? Because the tea tree essential oil will give you a refresh, tingly feeling. That is how you know that it is working. And once you apply it direct to your scalp, make sure you massage your scalp like 5 minutes. It boosts blood flow to your scalp, okay? In that way you get more better results. Make sure you're applying it generously. Don't be stingy while using this on your hair. And also, if you have your edges want to regrow, also focus on your edges. Massage your edges also very well, okay? Any of your hair nipple area you want to regrow, your batch boss, your teeny area, anywhere you want to regrow, focus on it. But the main focus should be on the scalp, your edges scalp, your nipple scalp, everywhere of your scalp. Focus on it and massage your scalp very well. After massaging your scalp, before you move to the next thing. So now I have tell you how to use this particular onion recipe to see visible results in 3 days. Grow your hair 10 times faster, okay? So now let me answer those curious questions people always ask whenever they use onion juice or whenever they want to use onion juice on their hair. So I have 5 beautiful questions I will answer, okay? So please pay close attention, okay? So the first question people always ask is, can I leave onion juice on my hair overnight? And my reply to you is no, do not leave onion juice on your hair overnight. But since we added tea tree essential oil in this onion juice recipe, it make it more potent. So I recommend start leaving it on your hair from 30 minutes to an hour, okay? So if your scalp is not sensitive, it can try longer time, but 30 minutes to an hour is perfect for that 10 times hair growth booster. I hope I have answered this question. So now let me move to the second question. The second question is, how many times a week should I use onion juice on my hair? And my answer is, for the best result in 3 days. So use it once a day, okay? After that, 2 to 3 times a week is perfect for maintenance. But do not forget to massage your scalp whenever you apply onion juice on your hair. I hope I also answered this question clear. So let's move to the third question. So the third question is, I do not have a spray bottle. What can I use? So my reply is, don't worry, okay? If you don't have spray bottle, just go ahead and use your cotton bud. Damp the cotton bud inside the onion juice and use it and apply it directly on your scalp. But make sure you get it right, okay? But on the scalp is where the hair growth happened, okay? So whether spray bottle or cotton bud, they are the same results. Use it the same way a spray bottle person can still use it. There's no different, okay? I hope I also answered this question correctly. So now the fourth question is, will it work on bleach or colored hair? Yes, it will, because it's natural. Just make sure you do a patch test first, because the tea tree essential oil actually help keep the scalp healthy after chemical treatments. So you don't need to worry about anything. This is a pure natural ingredient. You don't have any after effects, okay? So now the last question for today's video is, does it really not smell like onion? And I promise you, my answer is, I promise you that this will not smell, because the tea tree essential oil is the secret weapon. It completely mark the onion scent and leave your hair smelling fresh and healthy, okay? So let me know when you try it, okay? I can't wait to hear from you guys when you try this particular recipe. So those are the 5 questions people always ask, and they confused, okay? And I believe I have answered that question in a right way. But if you have more questions, please let me know in comment section below. So guys, try this for 3 days and come back to tell me your results. I can't wait to hear from you guys, because this recipe is tested and trusted, okay? So guys, please do well to join this beautiful family. If you need more natural ingredient that can help you to grow your hair 10 times faster without to breaking the bank, please click on that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your bell notification bell, so that you can always notify whenever I drop amazing videos like this, okay? Believe me, you will never regret joining this beautiful family, okay? So guys, also help me to like this video. Please, it encourage me and also it help the growth of the channel. Lastly, do well to share this video to your family and friends so that they'll get the good news on today's video. I love you guys so much. Compliment of the season to you guys. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.